not because devices made it popular, but because sleep is the single most misunderstood pillar of health in our culture, in modern culture. We treat sleep like it's an optional downtime, like a pause button, like something we squeeze in after the important parts of life are done. But biologically, sleep is not passive. Sleep is an active repair state. When you fall asleep, your body doesn't shut down, it goes to work. Hormones shift, the brain detoxifies, tissues rebuild, the immune system recalibrates, memories consolidate. That's your hard drive defragging. Inflammation is regulated. Sleep is when your body runs maintenance. And wearable devices are trying to measure how well that maintenance cycle is happening, not just how long you were in bed, how effective your recovery was. And that's a huge difference. Most people still think sleep equals hours. I got 8 hours, I'm fine. But sleep quality and sleep architecture matter more than raw time. These devices break sleep into stages because each stage has a job.